Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dioff. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from Nadula Hair. It's 150 density, 26 inches, and it is body wave. This is how the hair looked when it first came. This is the hair at its natural state, and I ended up flat ironing this hair because it was a puffy body wave. It wasn't really, curly. So yeah guys, I feel like when you get body wave hair and you flat iron it and then redo the curls, it looks 10 times better. So guys, I'm just using my Fenty Beauty Toffee Tees and I'm just putting it all over the front of the hairline just so that it can be my shade. This is a half up, half down, an attempt half up, half down. So I'm just going to put that all over the front so that it can be my shade as it is. And yeah guys, just a little reminder, I am not a hairstylist. I just make sure that my hair look good how I like it. I just make sure it looks decent and natural. And I help others be lazy doing their hair and make it look good. But nah guys, so right here I'm using my Ghost Bond and we just putting the glue all in the front and we're gonna blow dry it down and wait till it dry so that we can lay it down. Ooh, and it's laid down. So I was a little bit mad because I put it down a little bit too early and you can still see the ash white from the Ghost Bond. But I went back in and I put my Fenty Beauty all over the front again, because makeup fixes everything. So right here I'm just gonna tie it down so that it can be, more secure. Like we're just gonna retie it down and re-blow dry it. So I'm just cutting off each section part by part and re-gluing down any lace that's up and didn't really glue down. Okay guys, so this is how it looks when I cut off all the lace. I'm just going back in with my Ghost Bond and gluing sections that didn't really glue down properly. So right here we're just going to separate our baby hairs into sections. Just make sure that we're even on the left and the right side with the baby hairs. So once you lay down all your baby hairs, you're going to get your head tie and you're just going to go ahead and tie that down just so that you can make sure everything else is secured and pushed back, because this is going to be a half up, half down. So after the wax stick, you're going to get your hot comb and you're just going to go ahead and do this over and over again until you feel like it is flat and pushed back to how you like it. It's all about how you feel and how you think it looks. It's all about your opinions. But yeah guys, so right here I'm just gonna try to see how much I'm gonna be taking from each side to attempt this half up, half down. So once I put that in a ponytail, I just went back in and I used a razor this time. I'm learning just like you guys. Before I used to use scissors, and in this video I used a razor, and I seen a big difference in my baby hairs. It looked like a front tool. So after you finish laying your baby hairs, you're going to get your head tie and you're just going to tie that down. And now we're going to fix our ponytail that's going to be right in the front. I'm just getting the hot comb and I'm just pushing everything back just so that it can be neat and flat and perfect. So we're going to go ahead and do the same to the back. So as soon as you feel like your ponytail is perfect, you're going to go ahead and tie it and part it down the middle. And right here I'm just going back in and recurling the hair. I didn't put no products in the hair. It was shiny, the curl stayed all day, it didn't really drop, like it was good. So this is one side curled and then the other side is just how it looks straight. And yeah, I'm telling you guys, the curls came out so pretty. So guys, once I finished curling all the hair, I went back in and I just fixed the baby hairs. I just brushed them out so they don't look as harsh. And yeah, this is the final look and I was really in love with this look. Shout out to Nadula Hair. Bye guys.